Do you not have a
I
ping?
just need $50.
There's an ATM
Oh,
right here.
yeah, because you don't want to ping.
Oh, there's an ATM right here.
Oh, shit. Well, now we got a ping. Oh, thanks for reminding me.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get out of here just a second.
I'm gonna buy a
There's
decent.
someone at the Kavala checkpoint, man. They had their guns drawn and everything.
For real? We're gonna get those dirty fuckers.
It looked like cops.
Especially those dirty fuckers.
It is cops.
Oh, man.
Oh, hey, time to go, Callie.
Hey,
That's
no,
not
it's me.
me.
It's me. It's
Hey, come on,
Hey,
dude.
Buying
you
a
pulling out a
decent-
chopper or something?
Sorry.
Biggs?
What's up? Yeah, I'm telling him to keep going. Wait, what? Asking me if I'm out.
Are you pulling out a chopper?
Am I pulling one out? No. His is sitting here.
What? Are you good, Ron?
There's a medic overboard.
No,
Got hold of
I'm
my transfers.
not.
Oh, you wanted me to come get you. I'm sorry. I can't because his thing's
Are you getting
here.
chased from?
Yes.
Turn back around the other way. Head towards us. On the main road. Head towards, mineral processing.
I'm not gonna be able to.
Okay. Do your thing.
You good, Ron?
Yeah, he's
Hey,
dipping.
hey, it's Jay. I'm telling him to take this fucking heli. You're good, Ron?
I mean, I could use someone.
Yeah, that's
Come
why I
back
just want
towards
to kind of get on the road to you.
checkpoint.
Alright, do they have their sirens on?
Hell yeah.
Alright, do we want to get out and start shooting at them whenever they come back? Or,
Yeah, hell yeah. If Ron can make it past that checkpoint and towards us, we're gonna blast him.
Let me know. Let us know when you get past the checkpoint.
Oh, we're
Right
gonna get
at
out
the
right here.
checkpoint.
Where you want me to get? Doesn't matter.
I don't know, right here's fine.
Alright, I'm coming.
Head
Sorry,
out,
Alex.
Louis.
I'm setting up a
It's going towards
fucking...
Reed.
Hang on. I'm setting up a
It's going
roadblock.
We're like
Oh.
almost to Cavallo though on the main highway.
Come on, Anthony, get up. Do you want me to move up a little more, Callie?
I mean, we could.
Ron, bring him over here.
Oh
Hang
my
on.
gosh, I got away! I'm coming back, I'm smashing!
Alright,
I'm at mineral
He'll be here in a
processing.
second, you guys.
We're initiated, right?
well, they have sirens on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Ron, were they
Missing
behind
so
you?
much shit doing this tour around.
Bro, yes.
Money, y'all having
Alright,
fun.
I wanna wait until
Oh
you...
my god, I put my fucking rifle on my back.
Oh, rip,
I got-
rip.
Rick,
Watch, I got one of them.
You got him, Anthony.
Are they both dead?
Yeah, they're dead.
More coming.
Yeah.
You hit me,
Get out
bro.
of there.
I can go to Wong's clearly now, at least.
Oh shit! It's a bloodbath!
Oh
my god!
Let's go.
Let's go,
We're leaving?
Let's go, failers. Go,
Yeah,
go,
let's
go,
go.
go, go. Let's go, let's go, go, go.
Get out of there! Get
Here I
out of
come,
there!
here I come,
Oh
here I
my
come.
god,
Oh,
what was
fuck.
that? What did we just do?
Fuck.
Wait for Kelly, wait for Kelly. Where you going?
Wait, where is he? Oh, shit.
Come back. Oh
Here,
my god.
Run into the middle of the street.
Compound.
Who just pulled up? Oh, that's...
No, that's
Ron.
Rom.
Compound.
Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Run.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Callie, make sure you have that recorded.
I did.